Julius Malema has welcomed any potential attempt to prosecute him. Malema challenges SANDF. Bring it on, I'm not scared of rubbish. F leader Julius Malema has challenged the SA National Defence Force SANDF, telling officials to bring it on in reference to any potential legal action against him. Malema sparked debate on social media recently when he shared a message allegedly from a soldier deployed in KwaZulu-Natal pleading for help and claimed the army is threatening to withdraw. The SANDF dismissed the claims, labeling them as baseless insinuations aimed at causing panic in the country. Perpetrators of these insinuations are reminded that it is an illegal and a prosecutable offense to spread fake news or misinformation, quote, it added, without mentioning Malema by name. Responding to the criticism, Malema welcomed any potential attempt to prosecute him. Deputy President Floyd Shivambu also weighed in. He questioned the SANDF stance and its ability to feed soldiers, saying it was a disgrace. Attempts to get additional comments from Malema and Shivambu were unsuccessful at the time of publishing this article. The article will be updated once the comment is received. Speaking to Breaking News on Tuesday, SANDF spokesperson Brig General Marvin Gabozi acknowledged there had been challenges regarding ration packs and meal allowance payments. There were delays in the availability of ration packs and the payment of meal allowances only in KwaZulu-Natal. The delays were because of administration errors. These delays have been urgently addressed, and the challenges have largely been resolved. Most soldiers have received either their meal allowances, which troops use to buy their own food, or their ration packs, quote, said Gabozi.